Hi everyone! We're going to start by signing up so that we have our own account. I prefer using the Google account that I have already on my computer so that I sign up quickly, or if you want you can use the school email over here to sign up. I'm going to click on Google. When it gives you this message, you just need to put your nickname, choose school, and just click next over here, beginner. Now that I am inside, I need to start with a new project. You have to record a video if you want, or you can upload a video that you already have. Here you have your toolbox. This is the timeline, and this is where you can watch the video. Let's check it out. Over here you can change the size of your timeline. You can move the cursor so that you see the video in different points, and of course you can right-click over here and split. This way I have two cards now, this one and this one. You can clean audio. You can speed it up, so the more you click over here it becomes faster, and if you click over here it's slower. You can always add text, and there are different examples for the text. So for example, you can move it like that. You can choose the color, and on the timeline you can see the text box. Where will it end? You can make it shorter or probably longer, and you can always rotate the text, resize it, and move it. You can also add elements. I'm going to add an element in a different point. You can add sound waves. For example, when I play the video, every time he speaks, the sound waves will show. Filters are also interesting because they change the color, the lights in your video. You can make it also black and white. You can also scribble if you need. After you finish editing your video and making the changes on it, you can click on export. Takes you to a new page, and then you only need to copy the link. In order to add it on Teams for your assignment, you can click on Add Work, and then you choose Link, then you paste it over here. This is going to be your submitted work, and then you click Attach.